Hey everyone, I'm Flo and we are all about simple faith and simple food. A viewer recently commented that she was surprised we filmed in our home. She actually thought we filmed in a studio, which I find shocking because really if it was a studio, I would not have it look the way it does. So anyways, I thought you guys might like a little peek into my life, kind of behind the scenes. Dude is always threatening to expose me, but let's just beat him to the punch and show you what I've got. We are in the basement of our apartment, which is very strange to begin with because we live in an apartment building that has a basement in our suite. And this is the laundry room, but somehow it's also kind of my space, which I don't really like that it's a part of the laundry room. But in any case, behind me, I have laundry everywhere. What you don't see is the dirty laundry that is surrounding where I am standing. I have my sewing machine down here. I've got way too much fabric because I don't actually sew that often. I store my knitting yarn down here, which I also don't do a whole lot of, and I'm sure there's more stuff down here because I used to think that I was crafty and creative, but I really have not had much time to do any of that. But I'm sure my mess here is way messier than any of yours. Now I'm sure most of you are familiar with this area, which is our studio. Which isn't. This is just part of our apartment, and this is where I keep all my cookbooks. And our dining table is actually over here. But behind the door is the messy kitchen. Some of you may remember that I refer to it as the ugly kitchen, which I still believe it is. My stove is from 1969, original, I'm sure. What I do love about this apartment, though, are these built-in shelves that are throughout the apartment. Just gorgeous, with drawers and everything. I'm actually not quite sure what people think of YouTubers and the life we live. Maybe you can let me know in the comments below, but for us, as YouTubers, life is not that glamorous. It just really isn't. Truth be told, most YouTube creators don't make a whole lot of money on YouTube advertising dollars. You would have to be in the top 1 to 5%, and that means like millions and millions of followers. I'm not there yet. This is Dude's office. It's also our bedroom, but pretty much this is his man cave. He spends a lot of time in here, practically in the dark, because our room is not very well lit. But as you can see, he prefers a much tidier working space than I do. This is where he does all of the editing and storytelling on our channel. And without him, I would not be doing this at all. That's why I need him. I am always surprised and amazed how God has equipped us with very unique skills to be able to do what we do. With Dude's editing skills and just technology skills, he's been able to find a crowdsourcing platform where viewers can support us financially so that we can continue to put out these videos and to run the channel, as well as creating the cookbooks and putting it into an ebook format and publish our own books, which is amazing to me. The fact that God has brought the two of us together and have allowed things that we know how to do and just created a career for us, a path for us to live. I know some of you will recognize this space as my little chair. This is in our living room. And lately I have been enjoying taking care of plants. My mom was a florist. She just retired about 1.5 years ago. And I don't know why I didn't have much interest before. In fact, I had such disinterest that I often killed plants. So the fact that these are still alive, I'm quite impressed. I think being a YouTuber, what people often don't see is what I am really like in real life. And honestly, this whole YouTube thing is not me. I do not like being in front of the camera. I do not like extra attention. At a party, you would often not just see me sitting off in a corner, but that's what I would prefer to do. To make effort to have conversation with people, it takes a lot of effort out of me. And I am naturally, I think, more introverted. And yeah, like this whole thing is not something that comes naturally for me. And so when I say that truly this channel would not exist, but only by the power of God and His Spirit that helps make all this happen, like I truly, truly believe that, because if it weren't for Him, I would not be doing this. I would not have the courage nor the desire. We are really just being obedient and doing what God has assigned for us to do. This truly is a calling for me. It's not something that I would choose to do. It was not on my plan of how I saw my life progressing. But, you know, it's been an amazing journey, and we continue to stumble through this YouTube thing. I really do enjoy being helpful to those who maybe need some help with their cooking, or and most recently, we've added Simple Faith as part of our channel, and that really is to encourage others just like me who need just a little bit of encouragement to get through each week. We really do try to live by faith, and if we had not stopped to listen to what God was saying to us and showing us and what we can do with the skills that we have, we would not be where we are today. And I think it has to do with, you know, just us being open to change and to challenges that God places in our path. So I do want to encourage you to spend some time to listen to what God is saying to you, because I think you would be surprised as to where God will take you and how He would bless you through your obedience. We are super thankful for each one of you, because without you, this channel would not exist. And we truly are just following a calling that has been placed on our lives to be a help to all of you. Take care, stay safe. See you in the next video.